Welcome to REC Academy, where learning meets excellence. Your adventure in education starts here. Join us at REC Academy, where every step leads to success. Hi, I'm Teacher Rosie, and I'm your teacher in today's class. We will have coding with Minecraft. Please introduce yourself. Hello, Mike. Nice to meet you in my class. How are you today? That's good to hear from you, Mike. Today, Mike, we will have three goals. First, you will be able to define coding and computer science. Second, you'll be able to identify key computer science vocabulary. Third, identify places to go to continue learning computer science and coding. So you will learn cool words like algorithm and program. It's like unlocking the secrets of computer language. And you will also discover awesome websites and clubs to keep the coding fan going. Are you ready for the adventure? Let's do this. So let's start with vocabulary. So can you please read what is debugging? Yeah, it's finding and fixing problems in an algorithm or program. Okay, let's imagine, Mike, you're playing with your toys and something doesn't work as expected. Maybe your toy car isn't moving smoothly. So debugging is like figuring out why and fixing it to make your playtime awesome again. What is program? Yeah, an algorithm that has been coded into something that can be run by a machine. It's like being the director of a big show, deciding when the robot dances, when it sings, and making sure everything happens in the right order. Okay, what is code? Yeah, to write code or to write instructions for a computer. Think of it, Mike. It's like telling a robot how to dance or play your favorite game. You have to write codes to make a character in a game to jump. So we will have lesson number 3, Minecraft Adventure. So what is Minecraft? Mike. So Minecraft is a game of cubes. You can play as Alex or Steve as you work through mazes. You'll need to pick up items and explore in a world made up of cubes of things. Do you like to play Minecraft, Mike? Yeah, that's good news because in today's class, we will play Minecraft and at the same time, you will learn what is coding. Today, we're going to spend 1 hour learning to code. Have you ever heard the word coding before, Mike? Okay, it's your first time. So don't worry, I will explain it to you, the meaning of code or coding. First, let's watch a video.
Welcome to Learning Mall. I am very excited as I have started to learn to code. I was telling James all about it and he asked, "What is coding?" Now, this was a very good question and the very same thing that I had asked Mum yesterday before we started. My mum told me coding is a term for computer programming. It is how you give a computer an instruction. I have also discovered that there are different coding languages. Programmers use one or more computer programming languages to give these instructions to computers. For example, programmers working at Google might use C++, Java, JavaScript, or Python. Video game programmers at Nintendo might use C++, Java, C#, JavaScript, or SQL. Some coding languages even use visual blocks, such as Blockly. Actually, I have started using visual blocks to help me build a Minecraft mod. There are many languages in the world today, but the same concept and conventions are shared by nearly all of them. What is even more exciting is that I also got a new computer so that I can code as much as I like. But did you know that you can also code on iPads and even on mobile phones? What I have also discovered is that there are different styles or methods of coding: visual block and text-based coding. Now I had to do some research on these as I was not really sure what they meant at the beginning, but now I do. I am starting with visual block platforms. As you can see on my computer screen, visual block platforms allow you to place and snap together virtual code blocks and create games, apps, and more. They are a really good place to start. They are designed to be fun and easy, but they are also designed to be tools that you outgrow. Text-based coding. Text-based coding programs generally use real programming languages either within a closed platform or real text editors. These are more difficult to use, but when I become more advanced, I will start to learn these. I hope you enjoy learning with
Okay.
me.
Thank
See
you, Mike,
you
for
soon.
watching the video. Okay, let's continue. So, Mike, I have a question for you. And also, let's play a short game. Are you ready? Can you guess what I'm saying? Ni hao, Mike. Kumusta, Mike? 안녕하세요, Mike. Yeah, that's correct. It's hi or hello. So I just said hi to you in three different languages. So ni hao is hi in Chinese, kumusta is hi in Filipino, 안녕하세요 is hi in Korean. If you and I understand a language, so we can talk to each other. So that means we can communicate. Learning to code allows you to communicate with the computer. So let's play a game in a language that both of us understand, and that is English. I will tell you what to do, and you're supposed to do it. Ready? Okay, so let's start the game. Can you please raise your right hand? That's great. Now raise your left hand. Very good. Can you show me how to clap? Wow. Now give me a high five. Perfect. I gave you instructions and you followed them. You can also say that you followed my commands. Are you wondering what commands are, Mike? So commands are statements said by others, and as a response, you do some actions. So you were able to follow my commands because I gave them to you in English, a language that both of us know. But is the computer a human like you and me? So the answer is no. So to get the computer to do things for us, so we need to give the computer a set of commands in a language that the computer understands, so which is our coding language. So let me show you one way in which you can code and give commands to the computer. So I'm going to share my screen with you so that you can see how I write code using blocks. Before I start writing the code, let me show you the coding environment in detail. Okay, so I will go to Minecraft. So this is the coding environment. Let's get started. So choose your character. If you like Steve, click select. If you like Alex, click select. So I like Alex as my character. Okay, so you can see there is one instruction. Add a second move forward block to reach the sheep. Okay, Mike, what is our goal here? Yeah, you're correct. So we are going to make Alex reach the sheep. So click OK. So as you can see on the screen, there are, there are many things you can see on the screen. So this, this is the Minecraft coding. So your screen is split into three main parts. On the left is the Minecraft play space or play area where your program will run. The instructions for each level are written below. The middle area is the toolbox, and each of these blocks is a command that directs Alex's actions. The white space on the right is called the workspace, and this is where we'll build our program. So if you choose the move forward block to our workspace and then click run, what happens? Okay, Alex, moves forward twice on the grid. And what if we wanted to do something after she moved forward? So we can add another block to our program. Let's try. I'm going to choose a turn right block and I'll drag it underneath my move forward block until this orange line appears. As you can see, there's an orange line appears. Then I'll drop it and the two blocks will snap together like this. When we press reset and run again, as you can see on the screen, so Alex performs the commands that are stacked from top to bottom in our workspace. And if you ever want to delete a block, just drag it from the stock back to toolbox like this. And to undo your changes and get back how the level started, use the start over button on the top right corner of the workspace like this. So you can see a pop-up message. Are you sure you want to start over? This will reset the puzzle to its start state and delete all the blocks you've added or changed. So click start over and this is the result. And one more thing, you see a little inverted triangle on the turn block. Anytime you see this inverted little triangle, it means that you can choose a different option. So first option is turn right. Second option is turn left. Okay, so this is the coding environment in Minecraft. So would you like to solve a puzzle like the one you saw here, Mike? Okay, that's great. So please share your screen so that I can see your work. Okay, that's correct. Now, can you tell me how many move forward blocks are required to reach the ship? Yeah, you're correct. The answer is two. Okay, let's click and run. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, congratulations. You completed the first coding activity on your own. Congratulations. Okay, so let's move on and discuss. Okay, let's discuss how you're going to relate coding to real life. Okay, so as you can see here, coding means to write code. So it's to write code or write instructions. How you're going to relate this to our daily life? I think you're interested. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. So let's imagine, Mike, you have a robot friend and you want to teach it to make a sandwich. So you would need to give it step-by-step instructions, just like coding. First, pick up the bread, then add some peanut butter, and so on. Yeah, write code in real life. So you have to give a step-by-step instructions. Okay, so let's watch this. So I'm gonna show you a video. How coding is used in real life.
Have you ever wondered how coding impacts your daily life? It's like a hidden force, quietly powering our world in ways we often overlook. At this very moment, coding is at work, from the traffic lights guiding us safely on our journeys to the smart TVs that entertain us after a long day. The world of coding is diverse and expansive. Web developers, for instance, use languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build the websites we visit. Front-end developers employ languages, such as React and Angular, to craft the user interfaces we interact with. Meanwhile, back-end developers use programming languages like Python, Ruby, and Java to construct server-side applications. Coding is ubiquitous, silently shaping our lives with each line of code. It's in the cars we drive, the appliances we use, and even in the digital platforms that connect us. So the next time you switch on the TV or drive your car, remember, there's coding at work. Did you know coding can make your everyday tasks more efficient? It's true. Let's delve into it. Imagine your washing machine. It's not just a box that cleans clothes. It's a coded marvel that uses programming to control water temperature, cycle duration, and more, ensuring your clothes come out spotless every time. Or consider your smart thermostat. It's constantly adjusting the temperature, ensuring your shower is always the perfect degree of warm. Now think about your commute to work. Traffic lights, controlled by complex coding systems, guide your path, making your journey smoother and safer. Even inside your home, from the elevator that takes you to your floor, to the oven that bakes your cake, to the vacuum cleaning your floors, coding is at the helm, making life more manageable. In essence, coding is the silent partner that helps you sail smoothly through your day, turning what could be tedious tasks into simple, efficient processes. With the help of coding, even the mundane tasks can become a breeze. Ever thought of coding as a tool for problem solving? Well, it is. Coding is much more than just writing lines of code. It's a journey into the realm of problem solving, creativity, and critical thinking. When you're coding, you're not just creating a program or an application. You're essentially solving a problem or fulfilling a need. This process often requires you to break down complex issues into smaller, more manageable parts. This is where critical thinking comes in. You need to analyze the problem, identify the best approach, and then craft a solution using the appropriate coding language. coding also sparks creativity. It's like painting on a digital canvas where each line of code contributes to the final masterpiece. The beauty of coding lies in the infinite ways to solve a problem, each solution reflecting the coder's unique thought process and creativity. So remember, coding doesn't just solve problems on the screen, it can also enhance your problem-solving skills in real life. Think about the electronic devices you use daily. Can you guess what makes them work? Behind every beep, every swipe, every tap, and every scroll, there's a world of coding. That's right. Coding is the unsung hero in almost every electronic device we use, like phones, tablets, and even the tiny sensors in your smart home devices. Each device has its own language, its own way of communicating. Just as we humans have different languages, so do our devices. The phone you're probably holding right now might be speaking Swift or Java, while your tablet might be fluent in C++. And guess who teaches them these languages? Coders. Coders are the language teachers of the electronic world. They write lines of code, creating a set of instructions for these devices to function exactly as intended. They're the ones who make your devices smart, your apps interactive, and your digital life possible. From your phone's operating system to your tablet's apps, coding is the invisible force that makes them tick. Ever wondered what's behind your favorite video game or how your phone recognizes your voice? Well, the answer lies in the magic of coding. Coding plays a pivotal role in the realm of machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence. This field is all about training machines to recognize patterns and learn from data. Coders create intricate algorithms, the set of instructions that enable a machine to learn and improve over time. It's coding that powers your phone's voice assistant to understand and respond to your commands. Shifting gears to the gaming world, coding is the lifeblood of video game development. Every thrilling chase, every strategic move, every leap in an alternate universe is brought to life through complex lines of code. Game developers use coding to create game mechanics, artificial intelligence, and physics engines, orchestrating an immersive experience for players. Whether it's beating your high score or asking your phone for the weather, coding makes it all possible. So, as we've seen, coding is everywhere. It's not just for developers, but it's a part of our everyday lives. From making our lives easier to solving complex problems, coding plays a crucial role. The next time you use an electronic device or play a video game, remember the power of coding. It's the invisible force that makes your digital world tick, the secret recipe behind your favorite game, the silent helper that streamlines your daily tasks. It's the language that machines understand, and it's the tool that turns data into meaningful insights. It's the fuel that drives artificial intelligence and the key that unlocks the potential of machine learning. Coding is the hidden language of our world, and it's time we all started speaking it. I hope this video has shed light on the countless ways coding is an integral part of our everyday lives, from the apps we use to the technology that powers our world. If you found this information valuable, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on coding's real-life applications. For in-depth resources and a deeper dive into the importance of coding, be sure to visit our website at teachyourkidscode.com.together. Let's empower ourselves and the next generation with the knowledge and skills to thrive in our increasingly digital world. Thank you for watching.
Okay, thank you for watching, Mike. Okay, let's go to programming. Okay, debugging. So let's relate it to the real life. Okay, so in real life, Mike, so we're all like detectives. So we're doing our homework, building something, or drawing a piece of a picture. So we use our detective skills to find mistakes, and that's what's happening in debugging. It's all about solving problems and making things just right. Okay, programming. So let's think of it like telling a story. You're the author and the computer is your reader. So you write the story with words, and the computer understands your special language, and that is code. Just like creating your own fairy tale in the digital world. Okay, so I'm very happy we're able to complete the activity, the Minecraft, and you're able to explore the coding environment by using blocks and commands. And let's have a quick review in today's class. Okay, Mike, what did you learn about coding? Wow. So you made characters move with code. Yeah, that's correct. How about programming? It's just like making your own story with the code. Yeah, that's right. How about debugging? Yeah, debugging are just like errors. It's just like a puzzle, right? To solve. Yeah, you're correct. And how do you feel about computer science and after spending 1 hour exploring with me? Wow, so you have now a coding superpower. That's amazing, Mike. So coding is now your superpower to create, solve problems, and make the world a better place. It's like having a magical wand that lets you bring your ideas to life. Okay, let's have a quick quiz. Question number one. What is coding? What's your answer, Mike? Is it magic spells? Giving instructions to the computers? Drawing on paper? Yeah, you're correct. The answer is letter B. So give instructions to computers. Question number two. What do coders use to tell a computer what to do? A. Colorful markers. B. Special codes and commands. C. Secret handshakes. Yeah, the answer is letter B. Special codes and commands. Okay, great job, Mike. And thank you and goodbye. Happy coding, Mike.